Hi, this is artist Tara Reed coming to you from my studio in Portland, Oregon. And today I'm going to show you how to make print and cut stickers from your Silhouette Cameo machine. That is what I have, so it's what I know how to use, and I'm going to show you how that works. You can also do this with a Cricut machine, but you're going to need to find a different tutorial for that one, okay? I have a Silhouette Cameo, and I also have the upgraded software. So that is the software that I'm going to be demoing. And then I'm going to be using my thank you sticker set files as the example of how I am setting these up and turning them from digital files into stickers. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into your software and you're going to set your page as the media size as letter size. And so it shows there. Then a very, very important step is to put the registration marks on the sheet. So you go up here in your page, still in your page setup, and you click on this icon that has the 3 marks in the corners. That's going to create these registration marks. And what they are lines that will print on the page when you print your stickers that the machine then uses to determine where your cuts actually need to be, so they go around your stickers appropriately and not just willy-nilly wherever they want. They default to being inset 0.625 inches. You can see that over here. I usually put it to a 1/2 inch or sometimes even a little bit less. So you can do whatever you want. So now you're going to be putting your stickers and adjusting the size within that red frame. So I go over here, and the way I set up my bundles that I sell is I give you 2 folders. So you get the PNG files and then you get the outlines. So the PNG files are basically all your sticker designs. And then the outlines are the sticker designs, but in solid black. Because I believe in Cricut, it can find the outlines from the regular stickers. But Silhouette has a hard time and it's kind of complicated to do. So I'm providing those black ones because it makes my life easier. So it's going to make your life easier. So basically I just open my folder and I drag them on here. And the reason that Silhouette has a hard time is because it has a hard time reading that white, which is what you actually want to cut. And when you outline it, it outlines the thank you, you are ever so sweet, which is not what you want to cut. So what I do is I just drag each of my stickers over here that I want to make, and then I usually just do the shift and resize visually, or you can of course do it over here if you want to be more precise. Where's the sizing? Okay, you can open the sizing. I usually can tell you. So if you want to be really, really specific, you can do it over here. You want to click that lock so it changes proportionately. So if you know you want this to be 2 inches wide, you want that lock on, you put in 2 inches in the width, and then it's going to make the height exactly right so that it doesn't look funky and stretched weird. But you can also do that when you click and drag by watching these numbers. So it's just totally personal preference to how you want to do that. So then I just organize the stickers how I want them and fill the page. I'm also using a Mac. I just hit Option and hold down and drag to duplicate. I'm a big shortcut person. And again, making sure everything stays inside these lines. So once I fill the page, I don't want to waste your time filling the page, I'm going to save this to stickers, and then I save it as thank you stickers to print. And then I'm going to print them. I'll show you that in a moment. But first, I'm going to resave it as thank you stickers cut lines. So I basically create 2 different folders, and I'm going to open that other one back up. So we have both. So this is the one to print and this is the one to cut. So to go back into my folders, I'm going to get these cut outlines, and then basically I'm just going to choose the outline, and I have them named so they have the same name, but the outlines have cut outline on the end. So if you can't tell visually which one's going to work, you can look at the names. But I can tell that this one here is the one with the pen. So I just drag it and it will automatically click to cover that sticker in the right size. So you don't have to adjust this at all. It's pretty cool how quick and easy that works. And in this bundle, I have a couple of them that are the same design but different colors. So it just has the same one outline because it's the same outline. So then I'm going to save that. So now I have the two files and everything is set up in the exact same place because I put these outlines directly over top of where they're printing. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to print. So you're going to go, you can't see that, okay. You're going to go up here, go to print. You're going to select your printer, you're going to do best quality, and you're going to print onto your sticker paper. All right, so now that you have the stickers printed out on your sticker paper, you can see the registration marks, this square and these two angles, and your Silhouette is going to check for where those are to know exactly where to cut these. So the next thing you do is you're going to put your paper onto your cutting mat in the upper left corner, just like the lines show on the program. And then you're going to take that to the machine and we are going to have it cut. Now the page is on the cutting mat and in the machine, and we're ready to send the cutting directions to our Silhouette. We've printed our stickers onto the paper, put it on our cutting mat, and loaded it into the machine. It's time to send the cut lines to the Silhouette so our stickers can be completed. So for that, we're going to go to this sticker cut line page that we did, and I'm going to trace around all of those and choose trace, and then I'm going to go up to send. Sorry, I didn't have that in the screen. I selected sticker paper and we're going to be cutting that. And I'm just going to send that to the machine. All right, so now it's not a quiet process, but the Silhouette machine is looking for those registration marks. So it's going to go over the black corners and that black square. Now it's going to get ready and cut. Now we have stickers. We just need to take them off of our sheet. Because it is paper, it might stick a little bit. So bending, I'd set it to cut all the way through, which it mostly did. But like with any paper project, I figure slower is better. And any parts that didn't come off, you can just pop out. Or next time I might adjust my blade to go a little bit deeper, but I also don't want to cut my mat. So now I have a cool sticker. So easy and fun.